If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Shimere, and today we are going to be doing a little mini Skims haul. It's actually going to be a mini haul because some new colors came out last week with the Skims cotton collection, and of course I wanted to jump on that and try those colors, but most of them were sold out within like 10 minutes of me getting on there. So unfortunately I missed out on those, but I did get to try some items that I have been looking at for quite a while. And yeah, we're gonna jump straight into the unboxing. I'll let you see the unboxing and then we'll get into each piece. Okay, you guys, so here's the box. This is the packaging, what it's looking like. Comes like this. I'm gonna take each piece out. So I'm sure if you guys have seen any other Skims hauls, you know that this is not plastic, and it says I'm compostable, made from plants, I'll biodegrade in your home compost and in an industrial compost facility. Okay, so this is the biggest package, so this must be the pants that I ordered. Yes, this looks like them. Okay, yes, these are the pants. They're black, and as you can see here, here's the little Skims logo on them. Okay, and I got these in a medium, I believe. Let me see. Yes, a medium, so we'll see how that's looking. All right, then here we go. This is the second item. It looks black, so it must be the shirt. Oh, okay, I knew the shirt was cropped, but it definitely looks a little small, but everyone says that it stretches really well. I got this one in a medium also, so I'm pretty anxious to see what that's gonna look like on. And this one, this is the one that inspired it all, because I kept seeing people with this brown top and I thought the fit looked great on people, so I wanted to try this one. And so this is, ooh, the brown top. And what size did I get this? I got this in a medium also. And once again, everyone says that it stretches really well, so let's hope so. They do feel pretty soft, so let's get to trying them on. Okay, so I got this top in the color garnet. It is very stretchy, you know, like everyone said. I was a little concerned, you know, with how well the neck was going to stretch over my head, but it definitely has some stretch, and it is really fitted. So you guys, if you are a little self-conscious about, you know, your tummy area or any of that, you might want to go up a size. I got this in a medium. Yeah, it's not really long. I just paired it with these camo pants since the shorts that I wanted to get were sold out, of course. So I'll definitely look those up, keep trying to see when I can get some of those to go with it. But honestly, if you can't get the shorts or anything, this type of top, I feel like it's great for, you know, you can pair it with some jeans or camos like I did. You can dress this top up or down. It doesn't really look like something you just have to wear for loungewear in the house. Okay, so this is the tank in the color Soot. It's cute. It does have a pretty good stretch, but it's really cropped, okay, so it's not long at all. The pants, they're definitely stretchy as well. And then if you see down here, I was unsure about the length because I am short. I'm only 5'1", so I'm happy with the fact that the pants aren't like dragging on the ground or anything like that. They're pretty stretchy. It feels good for medium, you know. I got little hips and stuff, so to say this is a medium, it definitely stretches pretty well. And like I said, I'm 5'1", so you know, if you're about my size, you can definitely go with a medium. The top as well, it just depends on how you want the top to fit, but honestly I feel like it's stretchy enough and it's not like it's gonna get any longer, so going a size up probably wouldn't do much for you. You know, just because it's a cropped shirt. So it's really cute. So overall, I feel like this was a good purchase. I'm not mad at it at all. You know, I feel like the price point it's decent. I feel like it definitely could be a little bit less. Like I think what'll really tell me if I feel like these pieces were really worth the price is just like once I see how they wash. Like, okay, are they gonna shrink at all? Like, are they gonna stay intact? Are they gonna be exactly the same? Are the colors gonna fade? But if those things don't happen, like if it doesn't fade and it doesn't shrink, then I feel like it's a pretty good buy. But honestly, like with this on, aside from the fact that the crop is, I mean that the tank is a crop tank, I mean, I really feel like this tank top kind of feels like a tank top that I could find at, you know, another store. I mean, it's soft, but there's nothing about it that's like overly soft or anything. So, and as far as the tights, I really do like these. I like the fit of these, so I feel like I don't always find tights that feel like these. So these are definitely something that I'm like, okay, I probably couldn't just get these tights or these pants anywhere else. So these are definitely worth me paying a little extra so that I can have some that fit like this. The top, especially if you like a longer top, you know, you could probably, you know, get the pants and then get you a you know, less expensive top if you don't really want to pay the price for this tank top. Now, like I was saying too, the other brown top, I don't really find any ones with a fit like that, so I feel like that one was definitely great and worth the money. And yeah, I like it. So if you guys enjoyed this review, make sure you give my video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.